OneDrive version history has launched on the desktop for both PC and Mac, and it's very easy to use. So how do we restore a previous version when we're on the desktop? We open up our document library, which is synced down to our computer. This is for both OneDrive and SharePoint. And we find the file we want to restore a previous version of. So we can right click on this one, for example, and click on version history. And then we get the recent version history for this file. So I can see I've edited this one 15 minutes ago, which is the current version, but I can go back to this version from April 2020, and I can click on this. I can either restore the file or I can download or delete this version. We can also get to this feature using the OneDrive sync tool. So we can click on the sync tool down here, click on the file we want to restore the previous version of, and click on version history. So that's version history on the desktop for both PC and Mac, and it is now marked as launched.